Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be talking about the M3 Roxon multi-tool, and this was quite a gem right here. This is a very unique multi-tool. It's definitely got its own personality. But first let's start with what is very similar to the M2, which is the plier-based version we reviewed just about a week or so ago. So this is going to come with a bit kit that fits into this pouch. It's going to be a fairly normal Velcro cheap pouch. And then we are going to have the adapter, and then we are going to have, on this sheet, it says we have the T6, T8, T10, and then it lists the rest of what is included there as well. So that is what's going to be included, and then obviously the adapter that fits on the Phillips screwdriver is there on the end as well. All right, so the main feature of this multi-tool is obviously the scissors. So let's go ahead and start cutting some of this paracord. And we can pretty much cut paracord all day long. There we go. And make a huge mess over all the table, but anyway, so the scissors definitely do cut this paracord really well. And let's even try some of this other strand. Yeah, pretty impressed with these scissors. But Roxon seems to make really good scissors for cutting. These are going to be spring-loaded scissors, and they just pretty much do an excellent job. All right, then something very unique on this tool is it's going to come with the fingernail file on the edge. So that is something I have not noticed. It came with a blue film. I wasn't sure what that was. I thought it was a push button, but it's actually a file. So again, this is going to be a multi-tool with personality, I think is what we'll label it as. Now on this side, we are going to have several tools that are going to be fairly similar, or some of them will be similar to the M2. We're going to have the small knife, we're going to have the awl with the eyelet, and then the Phillips screwdriver, which takes that bit adapter. Now this tool is going to be the bottle opener, the can opener, and then it is also going to be the package. Let's see, the package opener, or the box opener as they call it as well. So I was a little skeptical until I took this blade and it cut right through the cardboard. So that's pretty unique that they sort of labeled that as the box opener. I guess it's part of the can opener's duty. I'm not sure if it's going to work better for cans or boxes, but anyway, you do get a blade right there as well. Now, Roxon isn't done with its surprises. On this very small handle, we will get a toothpick. There's a plastic toothpick. Then on this side, we are going to have the tweezers. Now, these tweezers don't feel amazingly sturdy or durable, but they are a set of tweezers as well. So let me try to get these back in the slot. And then on this side, we have a very unique feature of this tool. It is actually a sliding screwdriver. Now Gerber and some of the Key Smart or Keyport, I think it was Keyport actually, came out with something similar to this, but Roxon has done this even differently. You get a double-sided, essentially glass screwdriver, micro screwdriver, and then you fit it in this special slot, and then you can use it that way. Now in this special slot, it looks like made out of plastic, so I'm not sure how durable that's going to be long term, because it's sort of fitting in the top part of this, and then once you're done, you can fit it in this bottom part, and then it is stored in the handle until you need to bring it back out again. So that's an interesting design. Not sure what I think about it. I'm not sure how durable that is, but I guess it is going to be a micro screwdriver. So anyway, it is what it is. All right. So again, the M3 is going to have the scissors, box opener, bottle opener, toothpick, knife, can opener, nail file, tweezers, and then several screwdrivers, the reamer, and the awl. So the reamer, I guess, well, the reamer and the awl are basically the same tool. But so then they have instructions how to open it, how to close it, how to add the adapter onto the Phillips screwdriver, and how to pull it out, the toothpick, the tweezers, and the screwdriver like we talked about. Now, as I had mentioned before, I feel like Roxon is really hitting it out of the park with these small multi-tools. I think this is where Roxon needs to be. Now, I felt the same way with SOG for a while. I feel like SOG tried to go into the large multi-tool market, become a competitor with Leatherman, and they didn't do very well with the power lock. I don't feel like. I really don't like the power lock. And to be honest, with the Roxon Phantom, I was underimpressed because I feel like the metal hardness is just not very good. But with small multi-tools like this, I'm more inclined to give them a pass because, again, it is a micro multi-tool. So I don't expect as much. Now, on this box, we do notice that the material is 3CR13, which, from what I understand, is not a very heavy-duty metal at all. But for a small multi-tool, I think, you know, it might be okay for a throw-around multi-tool, and these are only around $20. So when you consider that the Leatherman P4 is now going, on eBay for like $60, even though it's a lot cheaper on Leatherman's website, it's just amazing how the prices are going. When you consider how the prices are skyrocketing, $20 for this Roxon M3 is actually, sounds like a pretty good deal. You even get this fancy nail file on the side. So anyway, I think Roxon is very smart in making the M2 plier-based multi-tool, and now the M3, which is their scissors-based multi-tool. So I look forward to seeing what more smaller products they can bring to market and sort of fill that niche where the Power Pint from SOG has sort of taken over the market, and Leatherman sort of vacated it when they pulled their juice, and the Leap as well. All right, I've got some more videos for you to watch right here and here.